Alright, good morning everyone. Today we're gonna change the mirrors on the Scram. Got these fake double take adventure mirrors. Build quality looks nice. They're pretty cheap, under 2000 rupees. And the quality looks pretty decent for 2000 rupees. They have the same RAM ball mount with adjustable this stem. So let's see how it goes. All you need is a spanner. To release this nut, and then the mirror comes off. Old mirror, new mirror. This is actually my friend's bike that we are working on, and yeah, let's clean it up before we install the new mirrors. Clean up all the dirt and grease. You just need some contact cleaner. So, install the RAM mount, the ball mount. Pretty straightforward, and then tighten it. Be very careful with the mirrors because they're not like the original double takes. It's made out of glass. They will definitely shatter if you drop them. Right. As easy as that. Tighten it with this, and yeah, there you go. Let's unwrap it. Pretty decent clarity, so we just bought to test it out, see how good it is on the next tour. Not bad for under 2000 rupees. And now let's just do the other one. Same process. You loosen this nut. Maybe it needs some WD. Alright, so they did provide adapters. You can increase the height of the stem if you want. You install that and then install the oops. Alright, once you install the extender nut, then you install the ball ram mount. Okay, there you go. Just unwrap it. As you can see, this one's lower than this one, so we'll install the extender on this one as well. And there you go. You have installed both mirrors and they're at about the same height. You can adjust the height a little bit with the screws as well, with the nuts. Depending on the position you tighten this, you can adjust the height up or down by a few millimeters. But I think they're about the same height now. Okay, from this side. Alright, and there you go. After installing the stem extenders, this is how it looks. We're gonna clean the air filter. Just gotta take it out from here with 3 bolts. Clean it with a sir. pretty clean. So if you put your hand in here, you shouldn't feel a lot of dust. There'll be some dust, but you can just wipe it down with a damp cloth. You can feel the inlet over here. Inlet into the engine. Make sure that part is clean. You'll feel it on the left side. Just give the box a thorough clean. Good to go. There you go. And we have a clean air filter. You remove your tank cap cover because I suspected it hadn't been cleaned in a long time. Look at the amount of water accumulating here. This water can go inside the tank and mix with your fuel, and that could also be why the bike is, stalling. Because the petrol is mixed with water. So once in a while you have to remove these bolts and take off the gas cap and then clean this entire area. Okay, so just for future reference, this is actually the water drainage hole, so water will go in here eventually, but this hole needs to be clear. There's like a hole down here which connects to a tube. This hole is connected to a tube which lets the water down, out from here, from somewhere from down here. So when you're cleaning this, make sure there's no gunk caught in here, and if there is any gunk, which see there is, look at this, all that gunk, you remove that and take a WD and spray it in here. See, there's a lot of gunk is gonna come out, and make sure you clean that as well while cleaning the gas cap. Okay, since I've already removed the gas tank, might as well paint this. I sandpapered the paint chips that were falling off, and I'll paint it black so it won't rust. So I painted the gas cap. The Himalayan and the Scram have the same gas cap, and they have a tendency to the paint to start chipping off. Not a big deal, but whenever you do clean the area under the gas cap, you can always repaint this and then install it. Remember the order that you took out the bolts in, and put them back in the same way. So these came from the front, or from here, and then this came from here. So always remember to keep them in order and put them back in order. Alright, and there we go. We have installed the gas tank after it being cleaned. Alright, clean bike. Cleaned everything here. Look at that. Started up right away. Did install